Rigo here. Just want to show you some proof. This is my Gmail account. Here's me here in the corner. And I started on October 25th last year. These are all my signups. Today I've gotten, we can't see the date, but here I've gotten 9 signups. And I want to show you. I got 528 contacts and System.io. That's when you get the funnel. You can set up the autoresponder for his emails and everything. I cloned the funnel when I first started so I can promote. Let me show you here the back office. These are front end sales. They're small sales, the front end. And I got 131 referrals. Here is where I use free traffic and solo ads. I have not promoted on, Instagram or Facebook or TikTok yet. I am going to start because the training tells you this is all free, safe list all the way down here. These are these are the traffic right here. This is when they go on the capture page, they enter it, they enter their email right here, today's date, here, Wednesday, February the 28th. Just want to show some proof. And right here is the 6 lessons when you first go in the funnel that you go get the course, the free course. My favorite is right here, lesson 3 and lesson 6. Go to the course, follow everything he says, and if you follow the course and do everything he says, everything will be good. I just want to show some proof. And again here, and here at the back of here's my contacts, my sales. Those are tripwire, small sales, front end. And here's the 90-minute challenge, the course, free. Go through it, follow everything he says. He mostly promotes on TikTok. But I know some people are very shy. They don't want to do videos or stuff like that. So that's why I do like safe list. I use solo ads, but I am gonna do later on. I am gonna do TikTok, and that's it. Just want to show some proof. Thank you. Any questions, please email me or you can find me on Facebook. I'll put a link. Thank you. Keep in touch.